I am surprised. I didn't expect myself to be out just now. जब मैं बाहर अब आया हूँ और मैंने देखा है क्लिप्स में लोगों ने इतनी बकवास बोली है मेरे बारे में, प्रणीत, GK, मृदुल, and Nehal also, Farhana also, so many people have said so much crass about me. मालती ने मेरी sexuality पे comment किया है या question किया है ना, मुझे ये पता था कि प्रणीत ने मेरे पीठ पीछे बोला है कि इसको तो इसकी बहन भी चलेगी. He said that and I've watched the clip and उसका मतलब यही है ना कि मैं अपनी बहन के साथ भी सो जाऊँगा.
Who do you think stabbed you the most times, whom you thought is very close to you?
It has to be Nehal, because Nehal and I were really good friends since the beginning, but she constantly put me in that katghara and she constantly questioned my friendship for her. She didn't have the emotional strength to accept and take the truth. Hi, it's Basir Ali and you're watching me on Midday.
A double eviction yet again, and one is really unfair according to us, and that is Basir Ali. So hi Basir, welcome to Midday. Firstly, all of us think it was an unfair eviction, not just us, but so many celebs have already tweeted saying that it was an unfair eviction. So what goes in your mind about it?
I feel like what the audience and the celebs and the people who watch the show for real are feeling. It's the same feeling for me as well. I am surprised. I didn't expect myself to be out just now. In maybe the 9th week, I felt like I was somebody who would see myself in the finale at least. Top 6, top 5, top 2, doesn't matter. But I am somebody who's always finished his journeys and I would definitely like to see myself in the finals. But if the show is doing so well and if I'm not supposed to be there and I'm supposed to be out and it's working for them, then it's good for them. I wish them all the love and luck.
So even, when we saw since the beginning, the first fight in the house was obviously yours and Kunika ma'am's. And ever since, we've always seen you taking a stand for something which, people might not really gauge through initially, but you were there and you always took a stand for the right. And still, we see you here.
Yeah.
So, where do you think it went wrong? Was it the love angle which people constantly talk about? Was it any of the fights in the house?
I want to be very, very honest, and I don't care how people are going to perceive this. I think the reality is too much to handle. My personality is too much to handle. My honesty is too much to handle. So I know that being a veteran of reality shows, I know how showbiz works, and it's pure business. And it's dreams and aspirations for people like us, right. But people sitting in the chair calling the shots, it's pure freaking business. So I must not be a part of their business plans, which is why I'm sitting out here and talking to you. So I'm glad and I see how things work and I'm happy. I don't regret anything. I don't think I've done anything wrong or I fell short of content or my audience fell short of votes. That's the last thing I would accept. Nobody can tell me that mujhe kam votes aaye the. To hell with anybody who says I got less votes, because that's not possible. My statistics, my numbers speak for themselves. The audience who's standing up, putting up the worldwide trends that I'm trending on right now. Twitter number 2 in the country, number 48 in the world. So that speaks for itself. It's bigger than the show itself right now. So whatever had to happen has happened. The worst has happened, and I think it's all going to be beautiful now.
So as we see in Weekend Ka Awaaz na, I never saw you being, given any guidance by Salman Khan, be it Amal, like for him, his father had come, for Awais, Gauhar had come. So कोई ना कोई किसी ना किसी के लिए आया है या किसी ना किसी को एक guidance मिला है, but I couldn't find that coming for you. Rather, in the initial weeks, I think your clothes were on the comment.
Yeah,
but
always.
Never something about your game. So was it somewhere disheartening for you as well?
Because it kept happening again and again, and I felt like in the beginning there's so many people in the house, बहुत सारे लोग हैं तो शायद सबको एड्रेस करना चाहिए. मुझे लगा कि शायद excuse me, मेकर्स को ऐसा लगा होगा कि यार बसीर तो एक वेटरन रियलिटी शो का प्लेयर है तो शायद ही इज़ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग वन, सो इसको इतना नहीं भी बोलेंगे तो चलेगा, ये तो अपना काम कर ही लेगा. बट इवेंचुअली जब वो चौथे, पाँचवें, छठवें हफ्ते तक आई केम फॉरवर्ड एंड मुझे तब भी कोई गाइडेंस नहीं मिली और मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था शायद लोग मेरे बारे में कुछ गलत नहीं बोल रहे हैं, शायद घर में रहते हुए लोग अपना काम कर रहे हैं, अपनी मस्तियाँ कर रहे हैं, इट्स नॉट अबाउट मी. बट जब मैं बाहर अब आया हूँ और मैंने देखा है क्लिप्स में लोगों ने इतनी बकवास बोली है मेरे बारे में, प्रणीत, GK, मृदुल, and Nehal also, Farhana also. So many people have said so much crass about me.
Right.
And Big Boss ने उसका कभी stand नहीं लिया. सलमान खान ने उसके बारे में कभी मुद्दे नहीं उठाए. मुझे बताया नहीं गया जब तक मैं शो में था कि बस तुम्हारे बारे में ये बोला जा रहा है या वो बोला जा रहा है. उन लोगों से सवाल नहीं किया गया कि तुमने ये क्यों बोला, कैसे बोला. ये चीज़ें सोशल नॉर्म्स के अगेंस्ट है. ये एथिकल चीज़ें नहीं हैं टू स्पीक अबाउट somebody like that on cameras on a show like Big Boss. तो मुझे ये लगता है आई वॉज फीलिंग लाइक अ लॉस्ट गोट. The whole herd was just moving ahead and I was just feeling like I'm following the show's flow and this is how things are. मैं भी Big Boss पहली बार ही कर रहा था. मुझे लगा कि शायद ऐसा ही करना है, ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ना है, शायद नहीं बोलेंगे तो भी चलेगा यार. तो करता गया मैं जो कर सकता था and I followed my heart and I think I did everything right for myself, but वो शो के फेवर में नहीं था and show wanted different things for themselves. उनको एक अलग तरीके से इस सीज़न को लेके जाना था. ये डेमोक्रेसी, ये जनता का, ये वो जो भी था, it was just not the right season for me, I guess.
So, you know, when you see, there was one comment on Go Back to Your Village which got pulled up, but when Malti questioning your sexuality did not even get a highlight.
Yeah.
So, how does that work inside the house?
It's absurd because ना मुझे ये पता था कि मालती ने मेरी सेक्सुअलिटी पे कमेंट किया है या क्वेश्चन किया है, ना मुझे ये पता था कि प्रणीत ने मेरे पीठ पीछे बोला है कि इसको तो इसकी बहन भी चलेगी. He said that and I've watched the clip and उसका मतलब यही है ना कि मैं अपनी बहन के साथ भी सो जाऊँगा. अगर ऐसी बात बसीर अली बोलता है इस शो पे तो मुझे पूरे घर, पूरी दुनिया, पूरी जनता के सामने मेरी वाट लगा दी जाती. मैं इस पे स्टैम्प के साथ साइन मारने के लिए रेडी हूँ. बट उनके फेवरेट्स ने ऐसी बात बोली तो वो हंस के जोक में वो बोल के आगे निकल गए. एडिट होता है शो, एपिसोड एडिट होने के बाद वो इन्विजिलेट होता है, वो देखते हैं पूरा, उसको स्पेक्यूलेट करके फिर अपलोड किया जाता है. तो मेकर्स ने ये देख के, सुनते हुए, समझते हुए इस चीज़ को जाने दिया और फिर उस पर कोई हाईलाइट नहीं उठाया. एग्जैक्टली मेरे लिए बहुत ही डिसअपॉइंटिंग है. और ऐसे सीज़न में जहाँ पे इतनी अनफेयर चीज़ें हो रही हैं उसमें मैं यहाँ तक निकल के आ गया हूँ. मेरे लिए ये बहुत खुशी की बात है कि आई हैव डिसकंटिन्यूड दैट जर्नी एंड माई फैंस आर हैप्पी टू हैव मी आउट and I can continue with the other work that has been planned for me. And there's so much more to do out there. I'm really, really happy to be out and I'm content with whatever happened. मैं जितना कर सकता था, मुझे जो अच्छा लगा मैंने किया, बिना किसी को सोचे हुए कि इनको अच्छा लगेगा, उनको अच्छा लगेगा, इनको ये पसंद आएगा, उनको पसंद आएगा. I did what I wanted to do. I stood up for myself. I did justice for my city, for the people who've been a part of my journey, and I have no regrets.
So while you were inside the house, again, हर contestant के साथ ऐसा होता है that, you know, a lot of people from the past come out of the blue and they start saying everything that they want to say. So somewhere even Aves in the previous conversation was like, I know this, that about him. So how do you, now that you're out, how are you reacting to it? I mean, इतने सारे random comments जो बाहर हुए हैं.
नया नहीं है. Aves is just a part of the list. मेरे लिए ऐसे बहुत लोग आए और गए हैं जिन्होंने ज़िंदगी में बड़ी बड़ी बातें की हैं, ये वो बोला है. अवेस का पहला रियलिटी शो था तो मैं समझ सकता हूँ उसको कितना इफ़ेक्ट हुआ है ये सब. आई थिंक ही नीड्स टू डू मोर in terms of reality or in terms of these kind of shows ताकि उसको समझ आए कि ये हर किसी के साथ हो सकता है और सीक्रेट सबके हैं. ज़िंदगी सब ने जी है, उसने तो मुझसे ज़्यादा जी है, तो उसको भी सोचना चाहिए कि वो किसी पे उंगली उठाने से पहले उसके ऊपर कितना कीचड़ उछल सकता है. एंड आई रियली डोंट टेक दिस सीरियसली बिकॉज ही इज़ जस्ट बट हर्ट and it doesn't change anything in my life. As long as he's doing his thing, I'm doing my thing. हम इतने सालों से सेम इंडस्ट्री में रह के, सेम सिटी में रह के एक दूसरे के सामने नहीं आए थे, तो अब क्या चांसेस है कि हम एक दूसरे के सामने आएंगे भी, और आएंगे भी तो क्या ही बदल जाएगा. It doesn't matter to me. I still have good intentions for people. I still have good emotions for these people. I don't hate anybody. I don't have any like, oh मैं इसको ये दिखाऊंगा वो दिखाऊंगा. I just wish them all the love and luck and अच्छा करें ज़िंदगी में, और ये नेगेटिविटी अपने अंदर से निकालें और ये फियर निकाल दें कि मैं उनकी ज़िंदगी या उनके नाम को ख़राब करना चाहूँगा या कुछ. I don't give a shit, bro. Just keep doing your thing.
So inside the house, who do you think stabbed you the most times, whom you thought is very close to you?
It has to be Nehal, because Nehal and I were really good friends since the beginning, but she constantly put me in that katghara and she constantly questioned my friendship for her. She didn't have the emotional strength to accept and take the truth. तो जब भी वो सीक्रेट रूम से आई थी, उसको जो चीज़ें सुनने में मिली, मैंने कोई छुप छुपा के नहीं बोला था, मैंने ओपनली ऑनेस्टली जो रियलिटी थी, फैक्ट था, वो बोला था. बट शी डिडंट नो हाउ टू टेक इट एंड शी स्टार्टेड hating me, or not hating, but she started having issues with me for those things कि तूने ऐसे बोला, तूने वैसे बोला. तो I felt like मुझे बार बार negativize करना, being my friend, बार बार मुझ पर वो लालचन लगाना, मुझ पर इल्ज़ाम लगाना, मुझे इतना गंदी बातें बोलना. चल मैं भी बोला हूँ in return, that is secondary because you pulled up the fight and obviously I will stand up for myself and say mean things to you too. But तुमको इतना समझ आना चाहिए था कि क्या बोल रहा है आगे वाला, क्यों बोल रहा है. और फिर जिस इंसान को आपने पॉइंट आउट करके कहा कि इनकी इमोशनल मैच्योरिटी ही नहीं है, यू स्टार्ट हैविंग इमोशंस फॉर द सेम पर्सन. It's a bit confusing and very disappointed with some things because when I came out मैंने देखा कुछ clips देखे जहाँ पे नेहल और फरहाना ने डिस्कशंस किए हैं कि बसीर को जाने नहीं देना है हाथ से, मालती उसको ले जाएगी, तो we shouldn't let him go away from our hands, so you do this, I'll do this, and I feel like थोड़ा बहुत खेला गया हूँ मैं.
So as Malti entered the house, she had already chosen a gang, and that was you, Amal, and y'all.
It was not me. It was Shahbaz and all. I was not a part of that. I clearly said to everybody that Malti के साथ तुम लोग बैठोगे, बाहर में जाओ, मैं तुम लोग के साथ नहीं बैठूंगा. Clearly बोला था मैंने.
So वो dynamics कैसे change हुए after she entered?
Malti was such a flop wildcard, yaar. Like I feel like they wasted the entry of a wildcard with getting Malti. It was maybe fun for the girls because I genuinely saw that Nehal had serious issues with her. Farhana had serious issues with her. Bas, that's it. और किसके थे? Kunika ji. Tanya, very skeptical. Tanya तो always becoming friends and fighting. आजकल मैंने उसके लिए कुछ जो शायरी लिखी थी, मुझे बोलने का मौका नहीं मिला. पल में सोना पल में पित्तल नाम है उसका, तानिया मित्तल was a part of that शायरी. तो वो चीज़ें तानिया के बारे में तो कुछ बोल के कम ही बोलेंगे, जितने शब्द हम बयान करें वो कम ही हैं उनकी शान में, क्योंकि what a player.
And y'all were the one, जैसे last आपके बाहर आने से पहले ही all of you all gathered around, exposed her whole game. So what do you have to tell? I mean, have you ever believed on whatever she's spoken till now?
I don't believe. I have had an idea in the house that she's a big talker, and I knew that I have to wait till I go out to see what the reality is. And because घर में ही काफ़ी बार सवाल उठ चुका था और कितने रोस्ट हो चुके थे, मालती ने भी आके कुछ चीज़ें बोल दी थी, तो definitely there was a big hint कि यार this one is playing all these things and she's making up a lot of things. But I still thought there was more reality to what she was saying. थोड़ा झूठ हो सकता है, but बाहर आने के बाद कुछ ज़्यादा ही समझ आ गया कि क्या रियल था क्या नहीं. But I think she's a great player, man. She's playing everybody.
So जैसे end में अभी how you and Nehal came close and whatever the people made an assumption about your relationship status with her.
Yeah.
Your mom was also quite against it. So how do you see it now that you've come out and you've seen कि वो सब dynamics genuine थे नहीं थे according to you?
Right now I'm in an emotional state where I don't even want to touch those things because it was too much of that in the house and too much of these people and too much of these equations that were around me the whole time. Coming out and seeing all this, and now I'm disheartened with a lot of things. So I'm just keeping myself away from all of this right now. I mean, I don't see myself chilling and cracking jokes with these people right now, but maybe in future it's all going to be fine. I am very forgiving, and I think if we ever come across each other, it'll be like, hey, what's up, how's it going, just socially, casually, friends, and that's it. That's about it.
So anyone you are not keen on meeting after the season ends?
The boring ones, but again, I have to be around these people in the Dubai trip and all of that, so let's see how it goes. I am a fun guy. Even if they are boring, I'll still find a way to make it fun with them. I've done it before as well. So this is just going to be like a cakewalk.
So now that you're out, do we see you back pursuing acting, or do we see you doing something else?
See, Big Boss के बाद reality में बचता क्या है? कुछ भी नहीं. बचेंगे, like there are other shows that I would probably do in the future if they call me. But acting is something that has come really close to my heart because that was the only show that I did, Kundli Bhagya, and when I saw myself as an actor, I was really happy that I was able to do it, and the love and appreciation I got was absolutely amazing. So I'm looking forward for great stuff. If people can trust me with their projects and if I get more opportunities, I would love to explore that. एक्टिंग तो करने का मन बहुत है.
Somewhere Adrija was also rooting for you from outside. I mean, time and again she's been there and she's been rooting. So what do you have to tell her?
Adrija, Addy, I love you, man. You're one of the bestest friends I have, and I'm glad to have you a part of my life and my journey. And I cannot wait to actually come home and see you and chill with you and everybody else. It's gonna be fun. I have a lot to tell you. You remember the discussions we had before the show? So much gossip.
Okay, so what would you like to tell your fans as we wrap here?
Thank you so much for the love and support you guys have offered. It's mind blowing. You know, मैं sad था जब तक मैं घर आया. And the moment I got my phone and I opened my Instagram, I had the biggest smile on my face because of the kind of love and support you guys offered. Team Basir, तुम जैसा इस दुनिया में कोई नहीं है. Thank you so much for everything. And it's just beginning again. I think it's going to be a new page in the book. And बहुत कुछ करने वाले हैं. बहुत ज़बरदस्त समय आने वाला है. तो जुड़े रहिए और ऐसे ही हम आग लगाते रहेंगे. इस बार क्या हर बार अंगार.
Your window to India and the world. Midday. Local Pulse, Global Perspective.